Hey guys, what's up? This is Kevin with Facebook Formulas, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a custom tab to your Facebook fan page where you're going to be able to put an opt-in box that you can easily name, free newsletter or something like that so that you could build a list right from your Facebook fan page. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly and easily add that opt-in box to your actual wall on your fan page. So when people, visit the actual wall of your fan page and they become a fan, at all times in the left narrow column, you'll be able to have your opt-in box showing there. So here's how we're going to do this. Basically, all you have to do is first go on, when you're in your home page in Facebook, you're going to see in the left column it says ads and pages. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to click on this pages tab. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this, and these are the fan pages that I use for my training videos. So we're going to be using the Kevin Da Silva one in this example. So once we go over to that fan page, okay, this is the default tab that I have set up. Okay, so basically, I'm also going to be showing you how to make your custom tab the default landing page. So when anyone goes to your fan page, this is the page that they're going to see first. Now, obviously, I'm just showing you how to do this in this video as an example, but you can create another custom tab that maybe has content just for fans and other content for people who are non-fans, so that you can entice them to opt in. I mean, to become a fan. But basically, I just want to also show you how to make this custom tab the default landing tab. But this is the example. This is what I'm going to be showing you how to do. Okay, this is what I did, and basically all I did was take an image, make it a clickable link. Okay, so if anybody clicks on this, it will bring them to my Facebook Formulas landing page, okay, my squeeze page on Facebook Formulas. Now, this is a video that they can play for free. It's about a 20-minute video, and I just go over some quick and easy tips. But what I did was, instead of embedding the actual video, which I also could have done, I just took an image, okay, I took a snapshot of the video, and then I put a simple Aweber opt-in box right underneath, okay? So to do this, all you have to do is you go over to your fan page. You're going to click on edit page, and then once you do that, the easiest way I believe to do this is you can scroll right down and go to where it says more applications. You just go to browse more, and that's going to bring you to this page here. All right, now I've already, to speed up this video, done a search for static FBML. Okay, so all you got to do is do a search for static FBML, and this is the application that we're looking for. You're going to click on that, which is going to bring you to this page. Now once you're on here, all you got to do is simply click on add to my page. Now, I've already added it to this page, but here's a bunch of applications that I have. All you got to do is you'll search for your fan page. It'll be listed in this list here, and then you can just click on add to page. All right, and once you do that, you're gonna go back to your fan page, go back to edit page that we did, I believe, right here. Okay, so we clicked on edit page. You're gonna do that again, and now what you're gonna do is when you scroll down, you're gonna see FBML listed in your applications. What you're going to do now is just click on edit, and once you click on edit, you're going to come here. Okay, now obviously this is going to be blank at the time if you just added it for the first time, and all you got to do is name that box title. Okay, so give that box a title. Now whatever you name it, that's going to be the name of the tab. Okay, so when people come over to your fan page, okay, see how it says free newsletter? You can have that tab named whatever you would like it named. Then all I did was add some simple HTML, this is just the HTML, which is a href, which is to make a clickable link, and then I added the image source code, so that's the image, and then if they click on the image, they'll be brought to facebookformulas.com. And then all I did was add the Aweber web form code that I got from Aweber, and that's all you have to do. Once you do that, you're going to click on save, and then once you click on save, it's going to look like this. Okay, so that's what I got. So that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Now, obviously, you can add whatever HTML, basic HTML you want in here, okay? You can add images. You can do whatever you want to do. Now, once you do that, okay, if you wanted that, if you want to make it, obviously you would have to make it smaller to do what we're about to go over now. But if you wanted, first of all, to make that opt-in box, that opt-in page, if you wanted that, or whatever you make that custom tab, if you want that to be the default landing page that people land on when they go to your fan page, all you have to do is come over to your settings again. So you're going to go to edit page once again. Right over here on the wall settings, you're going to click on edit, and that'll bring you to this page. Okay, now here you see that you have a section here that says default landing tab for everyone else. Okay, so basically what will happen is you can name which tab you want people to land on when they come over to your fan page, okay? Now, what you could do is create a custom tab that gives people maybe a bullet list of all the reasons they should become a fan. Maybe you want to add some images. Maybe, you create a little video that you can embed from YouTube that will show them what they get for becoming a fan, okay? So obviously, the sky's the limit with all the different things you could do with it. But it's a great way, instead of them having going directly to the wall on your fan page where, if they're not a fan, they might not see stuff. Or obviously, if they go there and you make your content available to non-fans also, then you're not really giving them a reason to become a fan, are you? So what you want to do is create a custom tab, put some, stuff on there, images, bullets, whatever you want to do, and sell them on becoming a fan. And once they do, you'll build up your fan list, and it'll make them want to share with their friends. The final thing I'm going to show you how to do is, let's say you wanted to add this free newsletter. If you did create a free newsletter section, or subscribe to my list section, and you wanted to add that over here in the left column, then all you have to do is come over to your boxes. Okay, so you click on the boxes section, and what's going to happen is you're going to see all the different boxes you can add. Now, obviously, again, I used a huge image here. So what you're going to want to do, if you wanted to add that to your left column there, is you just click on this little pencil. And then once you do that, you see how it says over here, move to wall tab? All you got to do is click on that. And now you'll notice that there's that same FBML section, okay, is showing up here. Now, another thing that I'll point out is you can add as many FBML boxes as you want, okay? So if you come into the edit FBML, if you scroll all the way to the bottom here, see here where it says add another FBML box? Well, you can click on that and you'll have another custom tab that you can go in and you can name something else, okay? So maybe, and I'm not going to go into too much detail here. This is the kind of stuff I'm going to be going over detail in the Facebook performance course I'm going to be launching soon. But maybe what you want to do is you want to put a widget or some type of image that people can click on that links up to a CPA offer, an affiliate product, maybe one of your products. And that's a great way for you to advertise, and make money, okay? So you advertise, you could charge people to put their ads over there, or you could do, again, affiliate offers, you could do CPA offers, or you can promote your own products. And no matter what your fan page is about, it's an easy way for you to make money without having to sell people, okay? So just a bunch of ideas for you to go over. And again, I apologize for going over this stuff quickly. I just wanted to provide you guys with some quick value that you guys could take and go and have some fun with. Now, one last thing I will show you is, if you do use an image, you can go in and you can put in some HTML where you can, change the size of that image. And what I mean is, over here in the image source, what I could do is I could simply change the height and the width by adding height equals and then width equals, and then I could change it to 50%, I could change it to 25%, and once I do that, I can go down, I can click save, okay, and then I come back to the fan page, and then all I gotta do is refresh that fan page, and what's gonna happen is that image will be resized to 50%, okay? Now 50% will actually be a lot smaller than what I want it to be, but I'm not going to go, again, I can't go into too much detail. I want to make this video quick, but as you can see there, see how much smaller that image is? So now what I can do is I can go back and put it to 75%, and now that huge image, which was making that way too big, is now a nice size, okay? So that's just another quick tip for you that would allow you to go in and instead of having to do all this crazy stuff with images, you could just change it by adding height equals and then the percentage and then width equals percentage. So that's it for this video. I hope you got a lot of value from it. Again, I apologize for going over it very quickly, but that's pretty much, it's pretty simple and basic, okay? You add the static FBML application to your fan page, and then you just go in, you click on edit, all right? You go to edit, and then that's it, all right? Once you go into edit, you can add some HTML right into here, and that's about it. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you on the next one.